Hi, welcome back to my shop. Today I'm going to be making a different style push stick than I've used before. The handle's up a little bit higher, so it should be a little bit safer. It's made out of 1/2-inch plywood. It should be a pretty simple build, so let's get to it. Okay, I'll show you what I'm working on today. I've had these two push sticks that I've used for a long time, and I really like them. Except they were made out of regular wood, so you got the grain running this way. And this one cracked right there. I glued it back together. It's been good since then, but it cracked. This one split out on the top, which doesn't matter. This one, the piece that's on the bottom that's supposed to hook onto the wood, well, that broke off, so now I can't use it as push stick. I can only use it to push over wood, but not as a push stick, if that makes any sense. So anyhow, I want to make a new one out of plywood, a little different design. I want to try to bring the handle up higher so my hand's farther away from the blade. This one, I like them, but your hands, it's up above the blade, but it could be farther. Be a little more safe, I figured. But I like this shape here, so what I did was I just traced this on the bottom, and then I kind of flipped it and used this end up here to try to make a new shape. But since I like the feel of this one, I thought I'd go with that and give it a try anyhow. So it's kind of my own experiment. Just have to see how it goes. Got a little hole right there in case you want to hang up on a wall. And I think this will work, but I'm going to cut it out and find out. That's about as tight of a radius that I would want to cut there, because that blade was starting to flex a little bit, starting to twist a little bit. But I'll come back from another direction and get that. Originally I was going to take this out, but you know what, I think I'm going to leave that. Sure. I want this edge to be nice and straight, so that's why I'm using this. Okay, let's round over these edges so that it feels a little bit better when I touch it. And looks a little better too if you round them over. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It definitely feels better when I grab onto it. So this is comfortable. So yeah, I did not round over the bottom boards, the bottom portion of this push stick, because I want it nice and square. So that when I take a board and push on it, like this, it's nice and square, have much contact as possible. But it feels good in my hand, so I'm happy with that. So this is my old style push stick, and now this is my new style push stick. So let's give it a try and see how it works. Hi, welcome back to my shop.